This is the Jamuladil for bloggers, content creator. The Sony A64 is a dream. Its image quality is very good and its 4K video is even better, and its 180-degree screen and eye detect autofocus are perfect for video capture. On top of the body are a flash horseshoe, a selector dial for choosing the shooting mode, a scrolling dial for moving through menus or between images, and the shutter button power switch. Let's do the unboxing and see what's inside the box. Sony A64 is a compact 24MP mirrorless interchangeable lens camera with an APS-C sensor that will serve plenty of photographers from family documentaries to pro shooters. The A6400 can capture 4K video at 30 frames per second in the XAVCS format at bitrate up to 100 Mbps or Full HD at up to 120 frames per second at the same bit rate. It also offers clean HDMI output to external recorders via its HDMI port. The Sony FE50mm f/1.8 lens is a compact, lightweight lens with an extremely popular normal focus length and a very effectively wide aperture. Top down somewhat, this lens produces a very sharp images. This lens is a great intro to the world of prime lenses, and beginners may find this is a great starter lens. The A6400 is available now for $899 body only, 999 with the 16x50mm f3.5 5.6 power zoom kit lens, and $1299 with an 18x135mm f3.5 5.6 zoom. I do not find Sony's menu system particularly user-friendly. It is a rather cluttered and out-of-place menu system. Lots of menu options to go through with different functions thrown under random menus. You should explore your camera and learn about each function and button as much as you can in order to take advantage of all available features. You get a mode dial, an Unmarked Command dial, and one of those combined 4-way directional pad, spinning dial control on the back that's a bit too easy to press when you mean to spin. The Sony A6400 shoots on a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor. The quality of the images is very good, and definitely it's the amazing quality good for travel or family photos. The A64 is easily one of the capable cameras of its price range. I prefer Sony A64 over the other cameras because of its focusing improved, selfie cameras and long recording. The 4K video and the fast burst mode make it better than its competitors and make it the best option for every photographer. If you are interested in Lenovo Legion 7 gaming laptop, then click on this playlist. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.